Hi guys, in the day 30 we will discuss about nested if statement with problem and their solution. So you know that in the previous days, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about if statement and if else statement with problem and their solution. Same like that, I will also discuss with you about nested if statement with problem and their solution in the Python. Today is 30. So day 30 nested if statement with problem and their solution in the Python. So first of all, in the first video, I will explain what mean of nested if statement. In the nested if statement, we used multiple condition. For example, you provide a condition if this condition is true. After its condition, in the nested if statement in the Python, we used multiple condition. For example, when you provide a condition, for example, this is the condition. When this condition is true, we check again second condition. We provide another condition. When this condition is true, we used and we provide another condition. When this condition is true, then this block should be executed. So in the nested if statement, we used and we write another if statement or condition inside another if statement body. So this is a nested if statement in any programming language, but we will learn nested if statement in the Python. And I also provide a problem one related to nested if statement, that your concept will be cleared about nested if statement. And I provide a second problem in which your concept surely cleared how you can use a nested if statement in the Python. So these are the different topics that we will discuss in the day 30.